Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make good brownies with a box mix. First, gather all your ingredients and tools. Preheat your oven to the temperature listed on the box, usually around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease your baking pan with butter or cooking spray to ensure your brownies don't stick. To elevate your box mix, consider a few simple substitutions. Add 1 extra egg than the box calls for. This creates a chewier brownie. Replace the water with milk for a richer, more decadent taste. A teaspoon of vanilla extract also adds a wonderful depth of flavor to your batter. Once your batter is mixed, pour it evenly into your greased pan. Bake for the minimum time suggested on the box, typically around 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick 1 inch from the edge. It should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Patience is key for perfect brownies. Let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This prevents crumbling and makes for much cleaner cuts. For the best results, use a plastic knife to slice your brownies into perfect squares. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.